give me your top AI prediction for the end of 2025. Where will we be at with AI by the end of 2025?
Few predictions, perhaps. One of those things that I am very, very keen to see is the shift of AI from cloud computing to edge computing, right? That is definitely gaining momentum with smaller and smaller models, or perhaps smaller models. Smaller models which are much more specific to do a particular type of a job. That would be very, very interesting. And the ability to create such models and deploy. You don't necessarily need an entire GPT-4 or a GPT kind of a model to do the task that you are going to do on a day-to-day basis. So these smaller, fine-tuned or extremely specific models, which have the capability to run on the edge, and perhaps they're doing just one and only one thing or few different things, but that is going to help you in, let's say, your day-to-day. That's going to be very, very key. And the reason for that is, of course, that has reduced latency, improved privacy and security, bandwidth efficiency. There are so many interesting factors that might come in if we end up going into a route where we have smaller models, which are fine-tuned or are very, very specific to certain use cases. That would be an interesting thing to see. And there are, of course, progresses that are being made in that direction. But I think the cost of running these models in the cloud versus the cost of running an edge model on your mobile
Yeah,
device, I
I mean,
think
it's
you
gonna
can
be
you
like
can
a
see a huge
thousand times
difference.
cheaper, right? I mean, million times cheaper, maybe,
Exactly. Yep.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's very interesting.